Okay, associative property. The associative property is one that you guys remember from the beginning of the year. Okay, remember we talked about the word associate, how when we associate with people, we come together, right? And we come together, we make a group. So when you think of the associative property, I want you to think of a group. We're going to group the numbers, all right? So let's say we have 5 times 4 times 3. We've grouped them with our parentheses. Remember, the parentheses are what cause the groupings to happen. And to solve this, we would say 5 times 4 is 20. 20 times 3 would be 60. So we know the answer is 60. But let's say that we want to use the associative property to compare this to solve again. Well, I could also simply do 5 times 4 times 3 and group it this way. So now I have 4 times 3 times 5. Because remember, we always do what's in the parentheses first. So again, 5 times 4 is going to give me 20, times 3 is going to give me 60. Here I have 4 times 3 is going to give me 12, times 5 is going to give me 60. So we get the same product, it's just we've grouped the numbers differently. So it doesn't matter how you group them. I could group them a different way as well. I could say 5 times 3 times 4. Okay? Still doesn't matter. I'm going to get 15 times 4 to get 60. Groupings don't matter. Or excuse me, groupings do matter when it comes to getting the solution, but what I meant to say is it doesn't matter how you group them. Let's do one more before I stumble over my words again. Let's do 6 times 5, right, times 4. All right? Well, it's the same as if I were to say 6 times 5 times 4. Okay? 6 times 5 is 30, times 4. I know 3 times 4 is 12, and then I bring my 0 over to get 120. Or I can say 5 times 4 is